Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Tesla's taking a bigger hit than expected on that. It should have come back down on the third to fourth correction wave, but then it should have stabilized at 240 and bounced to go on that fourth to fifth wave. So I'm also going to check that as well. You can learn everything I'm doing here. Number one, in the course, you can join more than 10,000 students. Two, you can trade on Bybit. That's where I do most of my trading. It's got the biggest liquidity. Three, join us in the Telegram. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and comment down below. Solana is being requested a lot, so in the next video, I'll do Solana. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical. And the market, MCRT pumped about 20% yesterday, which is beautiful. SUI in the morning, 2.4%, IOTA 1.4%, Bitcoin slightly even. The rest of the market, Tesla 2.8% down. Big hit on Tesla from 311 down to 230, almost a 30% drop on this corrective wave, which is too much actually. So MCRT went up about 20% yesterday. We're going into Bitcoin, 29,200. This is my Bitcoin chart, and this is my game plan. I'm still expecting Bitcoin to pull back to this trend line, this one here. This trend line, I'm going to change the color. This trend line has been here now for almost 1 year. So let's make this orange trend line the main yearly trend line. 1 year it's been holding, and you can see here Bitcoin is pulling back. It came close to opening my trade but didn't hit it. Shorting down to this trend line. I would still keep this short. I think we'll pump to 30,077, stop loss 30,400, take profit 27,000. It's a 8.6 risk to reward, risking $333 to make $2,880. 10x with no leverage. 10x is 28,000, and then I would go long off that trend line of 27k, and I've already got this set trade. But then that should be the finalization of the fifth wave, then ABC correction down to 25k, and that's where I'm going to be buying a lot of Bitcoin. Ethereum, and if you want to trade Bitcoin under the video, again, you can see all the links down below under the video. One, sign up to the course at jamescryptoguru.com. Learn what I'm doing, how to set up your charts. Two, trading on Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. And join the other students in the Telegram. Ethereum also pulling back to the main trend line. This one yearly orange. I'll make the yearly trend lines now always the same color, orange. And you can see this yearly trend line since 2023. We'll get a bounce of 1774. That's where I'll go long for a short-term bounce, but I don't expect it to hold. I think we'll get a bounce and then it will break down because it's a 1 year. The beginning of the year pumped so strongly, but after such a big correction, so I do think we have more downside, but we'll track it. I'll also do the Elliott wave count on Ethereum from the bottom. You could say that this was the bottom, but here is very close. So first wave, corrective, second wave to third, which is the biggest impulse wave, which it was, corrective, then fourth to fifth wave. So we've actually already started the ABC correction on Ethereum as well, same as Bitcoin. Then it should be a Ethereum count. So this is the long I would go on Ethereum. From this support 1774, I do expect a bounce, and now we're very close for this trade to activate, which is beautiful. Let's go into Tesla now. Tesla 232. Tesla's at $232 now. Big pullback on Tesla. Let me connect to Wi-Fi. Some lag. Let me open it again. Looking at Tesla. This is the Elliott wave count. See, we're on the third to fourth wave. Now we're on this major trend line, this yearly trend line. Actually, this trend line can even exist going back to 2021. So I'm going to make this the orange trend line. So we've pulled back onto this trend line. You can see here we've come back for 232. It's lower than I expected on the third to fourth corrective wave. But after this, we should get a bounce. But I think it's going to stop at 311. It would have been better just to take the profit at 3. We came very close back in July. We came to 301. It's almost a 30% drop since then. So it would have been better to close out those trades than ride down this corrective wave. But I am expecting a bounce here at 232. So I will add more to my Tesla position here. I'm expecting this fourth to fifth wave. And then, but again, if we go back on the trend line, this trend line since 2019, Tesla is on this trend line, and the top of this trend line can go, like if Tesla keeps playing out like this, if this follows these trend lines, even 1,600 by 2028, which will be incredible. Those are my trades. That's Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tesla, hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and learn what you're doing before you trade. Make sure you learn with the Crypto Mastercourse and the Stock Guru Mastercourse, #1 on the website, jamescryptoguru.com. And if you haven't traded, make sure you use demo accounts or small amounts of capital. Don't risk too much until you really understand what you're doing. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.